times, with hundreds of love songs I've memorized, like I'm yours and your song. No sunshine when you're gone, but I don't know you, the you that I've been singing to. In old dive bars, big dance halls, at coffee house concerts, crowded festivals, I'll sing to strangers and old friends and all my lovely exes, but none were you, the you that I've been singing to. But hey you, I want you to hear it. I guess that I love you, even when you're not here. And I can't wait for the day when I will sing you every song and say you've always been the you that I've been singing to. Maybe you live right down the road, or you're climbing some mountain in Colorado, or you're listening to this song on your long drive home. Yeah, you, maybe it's you.